Lord, I praise you for your enduring mercy. Psalm 136:1. Father, I lift my voice in thanksgiving and adoration. You are good, and your mercy endures forever. Psalm 136:1. From the rising of the sun to its setting, your name alone is worthy to be praised. Lord, when I look back over my life, I see your hands of mercy shaping, protecting, and restoring me. Even when I wandered, you remained faithful. I declare that no circumstance, no failure, and no storm can silence my praise. For you, O Lord, have been my strength, my light, and my salvation. You are the one who lifted me out of darkness and clothed me with joy. I join the heavens and the earth to proclaim, the Lord is good, and his steadfast love endures forever. Today I decree that gratitude will never leave my lips. I refuse to focus on what I lack, because I am surrounded by your endless goodness. Lord, thank you for unseen victories and unspoken mercies. Thank you for being a covenant-keeping God whose mercy rewrites my story daily. You have not dealt with me according to my sins, nor rewarded me according to my iniquities. Psalm 103:10. You have crowned me with loving kindness and tender mercies. I lift my hands in worship and declare, your mercy will speak for me in every battle, in every season, and in every generation to come. Glory be to your holy name.